Question number 1. Which is not to be taken as a defining property of living organisms? Answer is growth, because the growth is not only found in the living organism, it is present in the non-living matter also. So that we cannot consider growth as a defining property of living organisms only. Second question. Growth in living organism is, answer is intrinsic, because in living organism the growth is found in the inside of the cell. It is called intrinsic. But in non-living organism growth is extrinsic. Third question. The number of species in biodiversity that are known and described range between, answer is 1.7 to 1.8 million. So 1.7 to 1.8 million species only nowadays discovered and identified in the world. Fourth one, the process of naming organism known by same name all over the world is called, the answer is nomenclature. So every plant and animal having many names. To avoid these many names, only single name is given by nomenclature to plants and animals all over the world. Fifth one, nomenclature is possible only by correct dash of the organism. Answer is identification. First we must identify the organism, then only the nomenclature or giving the name to the organism is possible. So the answer is identification. Sixth one, agreed principles and criteria of scientific names for plants is provided by, answer is ICBN, the International Code of Botanical Nomenclature. This council gives the scientific name to the plants. Seventh one, agreed principles and criteria of scientific names for animals is provided by, answer is ICZN, International Code of Zoological Nomenclature. This council is responsible for giving the name to the animals in scientific mode. Eighth question. The system of providing name with the two component is called, answer is binomial nomenclature. Binomial nomenclature has two names. One is genus name, another one is species name. These two names are given as a binomial name. Ninth question. Binomial name of mango is, answer is Mangifera indica. Mangifera indica. 10th question. Binomial names are dash in origin. Latin is the answer. So all the binomial names or scientific names are given by Latin language. 11th question. Binomial names when handwritten, it is, answer is separately underlined. When we are writing the binomial name, we should underline the genus and species name separately. When we are typing the scientific name in computer, we should italicize the name. 13th question. In classification, each group is called by a name called, answer is taxon. So there are 7 groups are there. Each group is called taxon. Example, species, genus, family, they are taxon. Question number 14. Linnaeus wrote a book called, answer is Systema Naturae. Question number 15. Taxonomic studies consider a group of individual organisms with fundamental similarities as a dash. Answer is species. So in this species, all the organisms having fundamental similarities. Mango tree is exactly looking like a mango tree with another mango tree. Likewise, all the mango trees are having fundamental similarities. They are considered as a species. Likewise, every organism is considered to be a species category. Binomial name of lion is Panthera leo. It is the answer. Panthera is the genus, leo is the species name for the lion. Binomial name of leopard is Panthera pardus. P is the Panthera, it is a genus name, it is abbreviated here. The genus name for lion, tiger and leopard is Panthera is the answer. Panthera is the genus name for these 3 animals. Cats are comprises in the family. Answer is Felidae. Felidae is the family name for the cats. Dogs are classified into the family Canidae. Canidae is the family name for the dogs.